Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie drink at home. First, select your desired fruits and vegetables, perhaps 1 cup of mixed berries or a handful of fresh spinach. Next, choose a liquid base such as 1 cup of almond milk, water, or even orange juice. Make sure all your produce is clean and ready for blending. Finally, have your blender prepared and accessible on your counter. Begin by pouring your chosen liquid into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely and prevents air pockets. Then, add your softer ingredients, like spinach or banana slices, followed by any protein powders. Finally, incorporate any frozen fruits or ice cubes. Start blending on a low setting to break down ingredients, then gradually increase to high until smooth. To personalize your smoothie, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or a small piece of fresh ginger for extra flavor. For a nutritional boost, incorporate a scoop of protein powder or a tablespoon of chia seeds. If you prefer it sweeter, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup can be added. Experiment to find your perfect blend. Once your smoothie reaches the desired consistency, pour it into a glass and enjoy it right away for maximum freshness and nutrients. Remember to clean your blender promptly after use. A quick rinse often prevents dried-on residue. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.